Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. As always, want to start off the video by saying thank you to all the supporters, all the subscribers, all the viewers on the channel. Immensely appreciate the support. As you can see here, I have my dividends page pulled up, and today I'd like to go over December dividend payments. If you guys remember from my prior videos, I like to do at least one of these dividend videos per month, detailing you guys on every one of my dividend payments as well as total value of dividends coming in. And December typically is one of the better months on the portfolio because a lot of my stocks are buy and hold blue chip stocks that have quarterly dividends, and most of those will pay out, or at least a large majority of those will pay out in December. For December, I believe there are 48 dividend payments that are either paid and or pending, and the total value of the dividends is, I think, right around $950 to $960 when you total all those up. So a very good month for December. So I just want to scroll down to the bottom here and kind of go through every one of these dividend payments. Again, this is one of the better months on the portfolio with regards to the number as well as the total value of the dividends that are coming in. So on the bottom there, you can see SPHD, one of my favorite high-yield ETFs. It does have a fairly large or high expense ratio, 0.3%, compared to some other funds you can jump into, like some great Vanguard funds that have expense ratios in the 0.04 the 0.08% range. So quite a lot higher than those. But this is a great stock because it's only $30 to $40 stock that has a monthly dividend. It's great for new investors to get in, see that dividend coming in, and it's very accessible with regards to price. Also had a few viewers on the channel wondering, does the expense ratio come out of the price of the stock? Are you charged at the end of the year? How does that work? And really that just comes out of the price of the stock. You don't ever see a dividend, you don't ever see a payment coming out of your cash balance. You don't ever see negative on the stock itself with regards to trading from one day to the other, the brokerage automatically reducing the stock by the expense ratio. No, it's simply taken out of the price of the stock because all of these ETFs have a number of different stocks incorporated into them, and the overall price of the stock has already incorporated that expense ratio into the stock. So you'll never see a charge for those expense ratios. So sometimes if you don't know what the expense ratio is, it's very hard to tell exactly what's being taken out of the price of a stock. So that is the first dividend payment in December there. There's quite a few dividend payments on the first there. BHK, a bond fund. YYY, a very nice business development high yield fund ETF. And GOF, one of the first stocks I bought on the Robinhood portfolio. Guggenheim fund there. And a lot of these stocks I only have one share of, and some of these don't have huge dividend payments, so that's why you see 7 cents, 13 cents, 73 cents. Boeing here, one of the greatest stocks with regards to yearly increase in the price of the stock. I believe it's right around 100% rate of return over the last year. Phenomenal stock. Wish I would have had or held more shares of that throughout the year. This is my largest dividend payment in the portfolio, $633.75. You can see number of shares I hold up on top there, 42.25, 15 cents per share. And typically, Ford will have a special dividend as well on its next dividend payment in March. We'll kind of see when it does declare its next dividend if that is included. Last year, it was an extra, I believe it was an extra 5 cents, which was very, very nice. Pfizer, one of the first pharmaceutical companies I jumped into on the portfolio. You can see a nice dividend payment there, $38.40. Wells Fargo and Company, 39 cents. PTY, again, a few more funds that have just one share and are some of the original stocks on the portfolio. Intel had a very nice year here, $3.54. PCM Fund, again, one of the original stocks on the portfolio. Don't really do anything with that. Simply keep those around as they were some of the first stocks I bought with the portfolio. Southern there, $1.74. Archer Daniels Midland, 64 cents. Budweiser, Eli Lilly, $2.60. Centerpoint Energy, $1.07. Yum Brands, 30 cents. Here's a dividend capture I did with IBM, if you guys remember, a few weeks ago. Or actually, I think it's probably closer to a month ago. Did a dividend capture, 66 shares there, $1.50 per share. Total dividend payment right around $99 there. It was actually a dividend capture of 65. I have one share of IBM in the portfolio right now as a longer-term buy and hold. One of the first stocks I bought with the portfolio. Target there, 62 cents. Here's a stock I inadvertently jumped in for a dividend capture and just kind of held on to the shares here. ExxonMobil, $8.47 for its dividend payment, 77 cents per share. Holding that company longer. Johnson & Johnson, $5.04. MMM, 3M, $2.35. Microsoft. Oh, just put out a video talking about some of my favorite real estate investment trusts. This is one of those, $2.54 there. You can see I hold 12 shares. HSY. Just put a little bit more money into the Hershey Company here. This is one of Warren Buffett's favorite stocks. As we move down here, McDonald's, $1.01. Here is the merger between Dow and DuPont here, now called Dow DuPont. 7 shares, 38 cents per share, $2.66. As I continue to scroll down here, you can see quite a few dividend payments coming in. International Paper, IP, KHC, STAG, another one of the better dividend payment REITs out there, real estate investment trusts that I like. Just have one share, again, one of the first stocks on the portfolio, and actually a user-suggested stock, viewer-suggested stock on the portfolio. That's performed very, very well over the past 1 year, actually beating the overall S&P 500, which is kind of rare for a very high-yield dividend real estate investment trust. Very, very nice stock there. Coca-Cola KO, Consolidated Edison ED, another one of my favorite real estate investment trusts, Apple Hospitality here, APLE, have 690 shares, 10 cents per share. This pays out monthly there, $69 monthly payment. VFC, BHK, GM, Yum Brands China, the offshoot of Yum Brands. PSEC, one of my favorite business development funds, very, very high risk. You can see there I have very large holding, 306 shares, 6 cents per share, pays out monthly, dividend of $18.36. I think I've had a little bit over a year of dividend payments for PSEC there. PCM Fund, SCHD, another great high-yield ETF. And then there's a few of the stocks that are still pending here with regards to payments, but all of these will be coming in December. SDY, DVY, VYM, some great high-yield dividend funds there. UNP, LMT, and you can see here SPHD again paying out another dividend right at the end of the month. GOF again, PTY. And then we move into January. So those are the dividend payments again. I'll kind of scroll all the way to the bottom here again and scroll up. 48 dividend payments if I added correctly here. Dividend total right around $950, $960. So that is one of the better months in the portfolio. I don't think it's the record. I had a few months where I had quite a few dividend capture trades. Have not been doing as extensively a number of trades as I have done in the past just because of time commitments. But $950, $960 is a very, very good dividend month for the portfolio. So again, just wanted to quickly go through all of my dividend payments here. Again, 48 dividend payments, $950, $960. Yeah, just wanted to quickly put out a video due to viewer request. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys are viewers, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. And yeah, until next video, we'll see you then.